Hello, this is Johnny. I got some new package that came in. It come with 4 games. Okay, I thought it was supposed to come 4 in 1, meaning 4 different console. I thought it was Black Friday was on sale in Amazon.com.japan. So I bought it thinking that it come with 4 console, but instead it only come with 1 console. And the one with the 4 console is still selling it for 205. So if you divide by 3, you pay about 40 to 45 bucks because it comes with a glass thing. If you purchase all of them together, is you actually save money. But I thought that they went on sale, so I purchased this and find out that this is $60. So we're gonna open this and see if this thing is broken or not. But it's not sold by Amazon, it's sold by somebody else. So I don't know, I never bought anything from Japan, and I hope this thing is working because it is so expensive. I only paid $50 for. I purchased a Nintendo Game Watch from GameStop. That they actually sell the cheapest one. Free shipping, $49.99. So that was pretty good. So I'm waiting for that to come, and that one is supposed to have a hack option. So somebody already released the hack already, but that hack is a little bit more complicated. So I'm waiting for them to come up with a better version of it, so that we could hack it. And I didn't really pick the color. They pick it for me. I don't know how I wound up getting a blue color because I thought I was getting a 4 different console. And I wound up got a blue one. And I'm not sure what game I have. I think there's one game that I could play. Let me zoom this real close so you guys could see everything I'm seeing. Okay, so this is a light blue. It's not bad. It's pretty. Very small. Very small. It have a power charger. It have a head jack so you can listen to it without interfering people. And it need 2 AAA battery. Because this is more expensive than some of the bigger console that I own. So based on the price, I don't recommend getting it. This is just ridiculous, crazy with this price. Now I did get the Asteroid by Sega Genesis from Japan also, and that one, the price is pretty high too, but I think it's kind of worth it, you know, if you're able to play arcade game. So this one, yeah, it's coming. Okay. It's hard to play this. So the first one, I have no idea what that is. This is the second, third, fourth thing. So you could turn the sound up. That is the highest. Yeah, that's the highest. That's the speaker sound coming from my desk. Alright, let's go and start the first one. It's kind of stiff, but it does function as you push it, so it does work. I could play this, you know. The screen, let's look at it. The screen, I'm sorry, the screen on the sides is good. The top is good. The bottom is good. The side is good. I'm very impressed. So you don't have to look straight at it. You could play it sideways. The screen still is very crystal clear. I'm very impressed. I mean, they did a good job by making this. I mean, even though it's very small. That's how the focus is. Okay. Alright, so if I leave my hand on the table, it's easier for me to able to play this without without shaking everywhere. I better get some coin before I die. Yep, I don't have no more coin, I die. Okay, so this is Sonic. So how to get back out of the game. So by holding the start button, just pause it. So by holding the start button, just pause it. It doesn't take me out of the game. So if I press both buttons, it doesn't take me out of the game either. So I press start and so I could only pause it, I can't start it. So I have to get out of the game completely because I can't read this. So there's no save mode. It just, oh, maybe I need to press the start button to start the game. Duh. Okay. It'd be great if they could make this a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger. You know, this is smaller than the one I got for the tiny arcade, but it does play better than tiny arcade. So if you was to compare this with tiny arcade, it does play better than tiny arcade. So let me see. Okay, let me get out here. Let's go to the third game. I'm gonna bring my tiny arcade over and compare the size on the screen. But this screen is very crystal clear. You don't have any problem looking at any direction. Alright, what's my third game? It's definitely an RPG game. Okay, I could play this. I don't know what I'm killing. I guess I just go out killing those jumping yellow stuff. Sorry, my phone does not focus very well. That's the darkest it get. Okay. Alright, enough of this one. Let's check the last one. Last game on this blue set. So there are two games in here. It's good. At least it comes with Sonic. And then it came with the other shooting game. And that one, it just takes a long time to load, but I still could play it. I have no idea what this is either. No idea what I'm selecting. Oh, this is more like a column game. Yeah, so all four games is playable. This is more like a puzzle game. So one is shoot action, one is shooting, and then one is puzzle. I never played this game, so I don't know how do I play this game. I messed up. Alright, enough of that. Alright, let me just turn this off. Alright, it is a pretty cool handheld. I mean, it's very cute. If I was to choose a different color, I probably would choose a different color, but I didn't know. But all four of my game is playable, so I can't complain. I know that Mad Little Pixel was saying that some of the game is not playable at all, but this full game is playable, so I guess I can't complain. It's just the price is very high for this, for a little handheld like this, $60. I mean, so they don't even have a little string that you could hook up to it. I don't see any string that come with it. Yeah, it do not come with any attached string that you could put on it, so you could like carry like a keychain. Oh, okay, sorry. So it doesn't come with to be that for the price. I mean, it also come with 4 games, and they're very cute. So, all right, let's see how small this thing is. I want to measure the screen, see how small this screen is. So, about 1 inch. 1 inch screen. If you measure diagonally, it's about, let's go from using the 1, it's easier. About 1.1 diagonally. And it's about 1 inches up, 1 inches across. So it's like almost a perfect, I think it is a perfect square. And diagonally is 1.1. So this is the screen. So let me find my okay. This one came with 2-in-1, and this one is pretty cool. It's hard to get this one out. This one is, I have to pay like close to I think like a good price. This is also 1 inch. So this game and this system are the same size. Okay, so if you was to buy a tiny arcade, let me just turn this one on. This is exactly the same game as this one. Okay, but this one is special. I bought this one with allow you to have 2 games at the same time and have a light up marquee. So this one is probably around maybe either 39 or 29. I don't remember, but this one is not cheap. It's a classic Galaga and Mrs. Pac-Man, 2-in-1. So this is real cool. And I forgot that I got the Dig and Dug. Man, it's collecting dust already. Haven't played it for a while. This one is the Dig and Dug, and this one is pretty cool. And I like the design. The artwork is very pretty, and you have a light up marquee. Okay. For some reason, this screen is flicking. Maybe it's low in battery. Yeah, that flicking is gonna hurt my eye. I think I need to change the battery out. I left it inside for a while. But yeah, this is the same size as this one. So if you was wondering about the size wise, these two are the same size. Okay. Oh, this one just went to sleep. So these two have the same size. It just one is an arcade mode and one is a handheld mode. So, but I think this game, this one is, why is this one flicking like that? I didn't know this one's flicking like crazy. How about this one? This one, is it this one flicking? I think I don't know. If I change the value, I don't know, it will flick. Alright, let's try. Now let's try Pac-Man. Mrs. Pac-Man. Yeah, this one's screen is not flicking. It's tiny. Okay. Alright, so that's my review. Just letting you know that this here in USA is $19. So if they sell this $20 or $30, it's a good deal. I mean, reasonable price, but coming from Japan with $60, that's too expensive. Alright, thank you for watching. Later.